The FDA has approved the first commercial test for Zika, the mosquito-borne virus that causes severe birth defects. Quest Diagnostics could begin offering the test as an option for doctors next week, and it comes as communities are pleading for money to help keep the virus from spreading. Dr. Jon LaPook has that.
In Houston and surrounding Harris County, $4 million a year is currently spent on mosquito control. Public health officials estimate it will take another $2 million to mount an effective defense against Zika. Mustafa Daban is Harris County's director of mosquito control.
And what do you need?
I need additional inspectors to send them around. I only have four. I would like to double that.
Inspectors would target potential mosquito breeding sites, like the ones we visited in Houston after the heavy rains earlier this month. Daban says they also need 40 to 60 new mosquito traps specifically designed to catch the species that carries Zika. They cost $200 to $300 a piece, and that's just to start.
If we add one more trap or two more traps, you need a human being to go and set it up. Someone needs to sort them, ID them, take them to the virology lab. Now you need an additional virology person, so it's a domino effect.
This entire room will transform into another laboratory room.
They are converting 2 storage closets into a lab with new equipment that can test mosquitoes for Zika. Price tag, $320,000.
We would like the resources, and we have asked for resources. We're waiting on them.
Conditions in the South make it likely a mosquito there will eventually become the first infected with the Zika virus in the U.S. Dr. Umair Shah is in charge of public health for Harris County.
What will happen the next day after the first case of locally transmitted Zika?
All of a sudden, people are going to say, oh my gosh, let's get funding, let's do all these things. Well, we have an opportunity to get those resources there and change our policies today, and yet we're not thinking about it in the same way.
The White House has requested $1.9 billion to fight Zika and the mosquitoes that carry it. But members of Congress have left town for a week without providing any additional funding. And Scott, today the CDC reported that a patient in Puerto Rico has died from a rare complication of Zika.
Hard to imagine why there's a delay. Doctor, thanks very much.